So let's talk a little bit about buildings as heritage. It's quite a serious theme, and it made me think of when I was at school, we did Cape Dutch gables and all the history and where they came from. So you may want to approach this subject very differently to what I'm going to today. Today we are going to do homes around the world, and homes as inspired by the earth and nature, and homes that are inspired by the spirit and heaven, whatever that means for you. And really the background theme is home is where the heart is. That's the most important thing. So we're going to come from a very heartfelt space, a personal space, a feel-good space, as opposed to the architectural perfection. That is what we're doing today. Saying that, you may want to change it. You may want to do traditional homes in South Africa. You may want to do amazing buildings around the world in great cities. You may want to do ancient, historical World Heritage sites. So you don't have to do this. This is just what inspired me, and I'm going to share it with you. I think also the theme of home is a special one, where we feel at home. And the idea is that learners can actually dream into this. It may be something that they've seen in the past that they'd love to have as their home, or it may be something they can dream into that might materialize in the future. Or many of our learners might be living in areas that they don't like, or shacks, or houses that are too small. So it's also about creating a home that can live in their imagination. And the interesting thing about therapeutic art is the body knows no difference between imagination and reality. So when we close our eyes and imagine something, the body responds as though it's actually there. So we can create the idea of this fantasy home in the heart that can be revisited at any time, so that learners can feel safe and welcome and at home. So there's a little bit of a therapeutic slant to today's lesson as well.